Okay, yo. Okay, so let's go to the challenge world. So, guys, I'm sorry for it's because it's been a while now, and okay. So, if you can see, I've made the bottles, and yeah, and I am okay. Focus on me. Come on, girl. Okay, so let's go to the nether portal. So I made the nether portal. So yeah, I already made the nether portal, but it's not finished yet. So yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we'll put this here and oh no. I cannot see anything right now. Okay. I cannot see anything. Okay, so the portal is done. Yes. Yes. Now we need some iron, and we'll do that in the next episode. Hope you guys like this video. Oh my goodness. Okay. Hope you like this video, guys. So yeah.